Hi, I'm Sharath. I go by the name Mojo Wale Bhai, Broke Traveler, and whatnot, depending on the crowd that I am around. Many years back, when I got my first taste of motorcycling, I knew there was something missing in my life, and that was the thing that I wanted to work towards. So around 13 years of corporate industry, one fine day I said, chuck it, I want to go riding, I want to do whatever I like to do. Picked up the Mahindra Mojo, went around the northeast, munched about 14,000 kilometers and came back over about 2.5 months change. The plan was for a month, but then after meeting some like-minded crowd and wonderful people, I stayed around Shillong for a long time, did a good ride and came back. Starting from Bangalore, riding to Guwahati, then Shillong, then Tawang, then Machuca, Shillong, Dibrugarh, Guwahati, and it's like a noodles out of it there. Then rode up till Myanmar. The ride has been fun, and I would love to go back there again, spend a lot of time and then come back, because that's the kind of place that you don't want to come back from. But then you have to come back to the normal life, figure out what you're missing and then go back there again. I knew the ride that I'm venturing into would really push myself, my bike, and think to a different level altogether, because I was planning to cover the whole of Northeast. I have been following Rhinox for a while, and the moment they said they're coming with Nox pads and all this stuff, I was like hooked. And somehow I managed to get my hands on the Advento pants, which is yet to be released. This was something new, but then the Tornado Pro, as you know, it's been around for a long time, and I've been very comfortable with it. Let it be the pads, let it be the mesh, let it be the comfort stitch and things like that. Very comfortable. And being frank, you have two pads here. One is on the knee and one is on the hip. And I've literally tested the hip one, where I was riding in this place called David Scott Trail in Shillong. And at one particular place, it was slushy and I couldn't really handle. The bike held well, but my legs couldn't. I was so tired. I slipped, fell on my hip. The Nox pad took care of it. I broke a foot peg on the bike. My legs were all fine. My shoes took care of it. My body was okay because the jackets were good and the pads were in the right place. I got up, cleaned it up, started the bike. I was doing the rest of it. Well, we all know the features that we have on this particular pan. There is something that I fell in love with the moment I saw it. The first thing that you would fall in love with is this vents that you have here. You can open up and things like that. But that's secondary for me. The best thing that I love is this. So the slot opens from till here. Then you have this knee pad that you could pull out. This is Nox. Sexy stuff. What you do is you put it where you want it. You have 5 velcros out here, 2 velcros here. Fix the way you want it. You're set. What it helps you with is, depending on what bike you're riding, let it be a cruiser, a chopper, or a dual purpose, whatever it is going to be, you can sit, adjust the pads the way you want it. That makes sure that when you fall, your knees are taken care of. So I'm gonna take off now. I'm gonna do what I do good, riding. That's all that I can do best. Some good pictures, have some good fun as such. So what you do is you follow me on my social media, #BrokeTraveler, Sharath Shenoy on Facebook, and Sharath Shenoy on Instagram too. So that's gonna keep you updated on where I am, what I'm doing, what riding gears I'm wearing, and how I'm living my dream.